Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by confirming power and safety. Make sure the 12V source is firmly connected and the master switch is on. Once done, put on gloves and eye protection because the unit spins fast and can fling debris. Next, position and bolt the big horse fly to a stable surface with 4 bolts to prevent vibration. This keeps operation accurate. You start the device only after these prerequisites, so you avoid misalignment and reduce risk, which is why stability matters. You now operate and refine settings. Set the speed dial between 1 and 5 for initial runs and increase gradually so components seat properly. Once running, feed material at a steady rate, do not shove it. Sudden pushes cause jams and uneven cuts. Make sure to adjust the tension knob to control throw distance. A looser setting reduces force, a tighter one increases it. After each change, run a small test piece to verify results and make incremental tweaks for consistent performance. You finish by powering down and cleaning debris from the housing to prevent corrosion and imbalance. Inspect blades for nicks and replace if needed. Once clean, tighten mounting bolts and relubricate bearings every 50 operating hours to maintain smooth motion. If the unit jams, immediately cut power, remove trapped material, and inspect blade alignment and tension. This prevents damage. If vibration or odd noise persists, stop and tighten fasteners. Only resume after a careful test.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.